Hey guys, this is my Hiltex model 10513 hammer drill. That's always nice. In here you have your drill bits that it comes with. So we'll just try this one here. Alright, so your drill bit just goes in the tip. And how to get this locked in is you actually push down on this black part right here. See how it goes down? When you're pushing down on the black part by the chuck, push down on your drill bit too. So I'm pushing down on this part as well as my bit at the same time, and that will actually lock your bit in, as you can see. If you don't push down on this black part, your bit will not lock in. And to take your bit out, just push down on this black part just like that, and you can see how far it goes down, and you can haul your bit right out, just like that. So again, this is the part that you're pushing down on to lock your bit in, but you have to make sure you're pushing down on your bit at the same time, and it will lock it down. Again, you can see how far this actually goes down. Just a little update on the hammer drill. I've used it quite a few times. The only issue that I've experienced is this is your handle that actually goes right to here, and you can tighten it up. However, it won't tighten up anymore, so this handle is pretty much useless to me. The strap that actually keeps it tight to the tip of the hammer drill won't actually tighten up. So this is kind of useless. However, other than that, the hammer drill's been working great. Haven't had any issues with it. The bits seem to be holding up. Anyways, guys, I just had a couple of people inquiring on how to lock the bit in, so I hope that helps. If it does, let me know. And if it doesn't, and you need a little more instructions on that or how to use this, let me know also. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching, guys.